Hello guys, welcome to my AGROS channel. Today we are going to learn about agrometeorology. Since this is the first lecture on this topic, so we'll just deal with the introductory part. So without wasting time, let's start our topic. Meteorology. The origin of meteorology is from two words, okay, meteor and logy. These both are Greek words. The meteo and logy, these both are Greek words, okay. And meteo means above the earth's surface. Above the earth's surface, what does it mean? Just think this is my earth, okay. This is my earth, and this is earth's surface. Okay, this circumference, the circumference of the circle is my earth's surface, okay. And anything and everything above this is known as material. In Greek, we just say this is material. Okay. And what does logy means? Logy means it indicating science. Means it is indicating towards science. Or we are studying science. What does meteorology really means? Meteorology is the science which deals with the physical phenomenons. Okay, physical phenomenons. Mind the word physical phenomenons and physical phenomena of where? Of atmosphere. So what is meteorology? Meteorology is the science that deals with the physical phenomena that occur in the atmosphere. Okay. Now what is atmosphere? We all know that a blanket of air or mass of air is surrounding our earth. Okay, this mass of air or bulk of air is known as atmosphere. For more explanation of atmosphere, please refer to my next video. The link might be occurring over here in the iCard. Okay, so meteorology is the science that deals with the laws and principles as they apply to atmospheric phenomena. Laws and principles of what? Of physics. Okay, laws and principles of physics. Okay, this is my fact boy, and he wants to tell us something. He wants to tell us that meteorology is the combination of physics and geography. You might be thinking, why geography? Look, what does geography really means? Geography means it comes from two words, geo and graphy. Okay, geo means earth, and graphy means to study earth. Okay, to study. So when we are studying above the earth's surface or the atmosphere, we are automatically in the geography region. Okay, means we are already studying geography over there, but in association with physics. Okay, combination of physics and geography, and we are telling that their physical phenomenon is always occurring in the atmosphere, but from exactly where these physical phenomena are occurring, it is occurring in the lower atmosphere, okay, of the earth. And how much this what is the range of this lower atmosphere? It ranges 20 kilometer from the earth surface. 20 kilometers, just 20 kilometers, not a much distance, much distance, okay. It is just 20 kilometers, and all the physical phenomena are just occurring over there only in the lower atmosphere. Okay, here is more proper definition of meteorology. And there are two more terms, climatology and agroclimatology. These are more or less similar to meteorology, but the only difference is that in this climatology, we study everything, all the factors that are controlling or determining the climate of the Earth's surface. Okay, like we say the Earth's temperature is rising by 1 degree centigrade in every 10 years. Okay, we are saying that. What does, how does we, where do we study that? We all this study this in the climatology section. Okay, climatology section of meteorology. And there is another part of meteorology that is known as agroclimatology, where we study the relationship between climate and agriculture. Okay, how climate is affecting agriculture in the daily run or in the long run. Okay, these are the plants and these are the climates. Okay, these are the plants and how this climate is affecting these plants. These all things we study in agroclimatology. First, let's see what is weather. Okay, just suppose a place, a local place. Suppose where your home is there. Okay, suppose my home is in Mumbai. Okay, Mumbai. Suppose a place in Mumbai. I'm taking Thane. Okay, but I don't actually live near Mumbai or in Mumbai even. Okay, so this is Thane, and this is a. I'm taking a certain region. I'm calling this place Navi Mumbai. Okay, this example is just an hypothetical, so don't go for this example in exams. And this is just a hypothetical example, just example. Just take somewhere, some place near your place that will be most appropriate answer example for your answers. Okay, so in Thane, suppose there is rainy season, okay, rainy climate or rainy weather, I would say. A more proper word is rainy weather. It is raining over there. And in Navi Mumbai, it is bright sunny. Okay, so the sun is shining brightly over there, and there is not a single sign of raining or a single sign of cloud over there. Okay, so why this major difference between these two places? Okay, this major difference is due to the local weather conditions like the humidity, like this amount of sun rays that is falling over this region. These are the main factors which decides the weather of the area. So just this difference or this type of condition is known as weather. Okay, like rainy weather, sunny weather, these are weather. When we talk about small place at a certain time, okay, at a small certain time, at this term, time is relatively smaller. Okay, I am just taking about a day, okay, or just the morning part of the of a day or the night part of a day. I'm talking about that much time only, or 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but not a month or a year or 10 years, 5 years. I'm not talking about that part. Okay, I'm talking about only 1 day or 2 days or just a part of a day. So at that small time, at a smaller place, the condition of the atmosphere is known as weather. Okay, physical state of the atmosphere at a given place and given time. When we say it is winter season or cold season or spring season or autumn season, okay, these are all climate. Winter season, spring season, summer season. All love summer season, but due to this corona, there is nothing like summer season. No summer holiday. Everyone misses summer season, I know. Okay. So climate, these are all climates. So what is climate actually does mean? Suppose I am taking talking about the country, about a continent, okay, a bigger continent. You know what is continent? There are all 7 continents. When we are talking about country or continent, okay, it is a larger region, of course, than a district or village or city. It is a larger region, of course, but not only larger region. We are talking about the larger span of time also, like year, month, 2 years, 5 years, or 100 year or century. I would say better word century. Okay, 1 century equals to 100 years, and 10 years equals to a decade. So winter, this when we talk about a larger region and a larger span of time, we take the average of all the weather's condition of during this time span in that region, and we call it a climate. Okay, if we take the average of India, we say it is temperate climate over here, temperate climate, and when we say it is of South America, we say it is a equatorial climate. So meteorology is also referred to as physics of atmosphere. Fact boy is telling us physics of atmosphere. It may come in your MCQ. So finally we come to the word agricultural meteorology. It is also called as agrometeorology. Okay, here it is written. Agrometeorology is the abbreviated form of agricultural meteorology. And now, what does this word agricultural meteorology really means? Means meteorology which deals with agriculture. Okay, agriculture production, and okay, how we can give a benefit of meteorology to the agriculture. Then it is a branch of applied meteorology which investigates the physical conditions of the environment of a growing plants or animals or organisms. It is telling that it is the branch of applied meteorology. Okay, applied meteorology, it is a branch of applied meteorology, and it studies the meteorology which is related to the agriculture, which includes the plants and animals. Okay, in applied science, then there is another definition of, here it is saying that it is not applied meteorology, it is the applied science which deals with the relationship between weather or climatic conditions and agricultural production. Okay, and this is the last definition. It is a bit difficult type, but I would recommend this one only because it was given by WMO. WMO stands for World Meteorological Organization. Okay, what does it stands for? World Meteorological Organization. Then we come to the difference between meteorology and agrometeorology. Okay, all the differences are basic and everyone knows that. But then also let's review them. It is first that it is telling that meteorology is the branch of atmospheric physics. Okay, it is the branch of atmospheric physics, and agrometeorology is the combination of agriculture and meteorology. Then it is telling that it is the weather science. Okay, and this is the product of agriculture and meteorology together. Okay, and it is a physical science, but this is a biophysical science. Okay, this is a new term for everyone. Why does it is telling biophysical? Okay, plant is a living being, and bio is the study of living beings. Okay, so it is telling biophysical. We are not only studying the physical phenomena, but effects of the physical phenomena on the biological or the living beings. That's why it is called biophysical science. The main of the meteorology is the weather forecasting, but the main of aim of agrometeorology is improving quantity and quality of crop production. Okay, and weather services is the main concern of meteorology, and with agrometeorology concerns with the farmers. Okay, everything related to agriculture and why the crop it concerned about the crop production and concerned about the how we can increase the yield of the crop. It is always concerned with the meteorology related to agriculture, and meteorology is linking the society. Okay, But agrometallurgy is linking with the farmers community only. It is farmers community only benefits from agrometallurgy and none otherless. But the rest of the society also benefits from it indirectly because farmers grows agricultural crops and we all take those agricultural crops. We all are alive because of those agricultural crops only. So always respect farmers and live a good life. So what is the importance of meteorology to the crop production or to the agriculture? Okay. So suppose a farmer, here is a farmer Santaram, okay. He wants to plant a maize field in his land. He wants to plant maize crop in his land. So he wants to show at a time which is nearing, which is near to monsoon, okay. He is going to show, but he is not exactly sure when it is going to rain or when it is not going to rain. So if he knows that when it is going to rain, sorry, he is not growing maize crop, he is growing rice crop, okay, because it is the rice crop is mainly grown in the monsoon region, monsoon season. So he wants to know when the rain is going to occur so that he has to give less irrigation. Okay. So yeah, so the if the starting rain falls on the germinating seeds, then it will destroy the crops. So he has to know when he has to so that it is not affected by the rain. So if he knows the weather forecast, he can plan the cropping pattern. That he can know the sowing dates so that when it is sometime somewhat matured or germinated properly, then only the rain comes. It can select the dates according to that. Then it reduces the irrigation to the crops, then it reduces the chemicals and fertilizers because if it rains, then the fertilizers and chemicals will be washed up, okay, so it is just a waste of money. So if we know the time of raining, so we will just apply it after the rain occurs. Some crops are there which are very badly affected at the maturity time by the heavy rains, so we can effectively harvest it before the rains. Again, there are some pests and diseases which are season specific, like in summer season there is outbreak of some pests and diseases. If we so the most important measure is to show lately or so early, okay. So with the help of that, knowing the weather forecast, we can reduce or eliminate outbreak of pests. Then efficient management of soils is there and weather action. Then we can manage the weather abnormalities like droughts is there. Then cyclone is there. The heavy rainfall, floods, etc. Then we can minimize the losses due to the forest fires. These are some future scope since agriculture is a very important part of the society, and it is a major share, it has a major share in the economy, Indian economy. Okay, so the importance of agriculture is never going to end. In other words, just think the increasing of population of India is never going to stop. Okay, almost never going until and unless all the people gets aware of this thing. So there is always a food shortage of for this entire population. So there is never going to be end for importance of agriculture. And if there is importance of agriculture, then directly there is importance of agrometeorology because weather conditions and climate directly affects agriculture. So read these points for the future of agrometeorology. And this is all for today. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and comment if there is any doubt. The link for the PPT will be given in the description. Thank you.